Make sure you don't make too much noise. And clean up all this crap. You hear me?
Yeah.
Is he okay?
Never mind. Just ignore him. He's been like this for a while now, and it sucks.
Okay, sorry.
I'm so sick of this. Every day the same crap. Seriously, can't handle this.
Hi, Daddy. Welcome home.
Why aren't you doing your homework?
Because it was hard and I was wondering if you could help me with my math.
You really think I have time for that? I have work to do. I mean, this is why you go to school all day. And besides, why do you need me to help you? And what's the point of me going to work all day just to come home and help you? I've got bigger problems to deal with, John. Like how to keep a roof over our heads and feeding you.
But, Dad...
Just go do your schoolwork. Just...
God, how am I supposed to keep up? I gotta figure this out. Hello? What do you want? I told you, if you want to speak to her, you have to wait till it's your time with her. Don't call here again. No, I'm not going to discuss this now. We have an agreement. Well, you should have thought of that before you screwed up our family. I have nothing else to say to you. Call my lawyer if you need to. Damn it! Stephanie, how many times I...
Hello?
Hello, son. Is your father home?
Dad, it's for you.
Who's it this time?
Hello, John.
What is this?
No. Oh, God, no.
Dad, what's
No! Please, no! Please! Not my car! Please! Oh, no! Get out of here. Get back in the house.
But
now! Go! Now, what are you looking at? This is none of your business.
Hello? This is John. Yes, I know I'm very late, but I will catch it up, I promise you. But I promise I will pay you. Please, I just need a bit more time. I understand that you have to do what you have to do, but this is my home. Our home. I guarantee you, I will pay you soon. No, please, wait. Hello? 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 Ah! Ah! Come on!
Dad, that really hurt. Why did you do this to me? I haven't done anything wrong.
Dawn,
I hate you. I wish you were.
scared. I am so scared.
Dad?
What are you doing, John?